Hello everyone. Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video, we're bringing you a detailed unboxing of the Skydroid C14 camera. The outer packaging features a clean and professional design, effectively protecting the product from pressure and impact during transportation. After opening the box, you'll find custom high-density foam precisely molded to fit the gimbal body, ensuring excellent protection throughout shipping. The overall dimensions are 65.5 millimeters, 68.57 millimeters, 92 millimeters, with a weight of only 198.4 g. The body is compact yet solidly built, featuring a precise mechanical structure. It adopts an industrial-grade 3-axis mechanical stabilization system, supporting pitch from -110 degrees to +75 degrees. Yaw from -165 degrees to +165 degrees, and roll from -40 degrees to +40 degrees. In hovering conditions, angle vibration can be controlled within plus or -0.01 degrees, and during flight within plus or -0.02 degrees, maintaining stable image output even in high-speed flight or turbulent airflow environments. In terms of interfaces, both video output and control signals are transmitted via Ethernet. It supports RTSP video output and UDP control, making it compatible with mainstream flight controllers and ground station systems. The unit supports a wide input voltage range from 12 V to 80 V, with approximately 350 milliamperes working current at 12 V, adapting to various UAV power platforms. It supports both upright and inverted mounting modes and includes practical functions such as global recentering, one-key downward view, and your recentering for multi-scenario operations. The imaging system is the core highlight of the C14. It features a dual visible light lens system. The wide-angle lens has an f2 aperture and 3.2 millimeters focal length, offering an 80 degrees horizontal field of view with 5 million effective pixels, supporting 288-01620 video recording and photo capture. The telephoto lens features an f2.4 aperture and 25 millimeters focal length with a narrower field of view for long-distance detail capture. The system supports 100x hybrid digital zoom, allowing distant targets to be clearly magnified for inspection and monitoring tasks. The video transmission resolution is 128/0720. Local storage supports TS video format and JPG image format, with up to 128 gigabytes microSD card support using the FAT32 file system. In addition to high-definition visible imaging, the C14 integrates a 640,512 resolution thermal imaging module with an 11 millimeters focal length, 30 Hz frame rate, and 14 micrometers spectral response range. Detection distance can reach approximately 1.1 kilometers, enabling clear thermal target identification even at night or in smoky environments. It also includes a 905 nanometers laser rangefinder with a measurement range from 5 meters to 1,200 meters. Within 300 meters, accuracy can be controlled within plus or -0.25 meters. Measurement frequency supports single-shot, 1 Hz, and 2 Hz modes, providing precise distance data for emergency rescue and inspection missions. The operating temperature range is -10 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, with storage temperature from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, ensuring adaptability in complex outdoor environments. Overall, the C14 integrates high-definition visible light, thermal imaging, and laser ranging into a body under 200 G, achieving an excellent balance between performance and size. It is highly suitable for firefighting, security inspection, wildlife protection, power line inspection, and various UAV industry applications. What's included in the box? C14 main unit, 32 gigabytes Kingston microSD card 1. Serial cable, Ethernet power cable, Ethernet power cable. Ethernet power cable. Gimbal mounting screws 4. Card reader 1. That concludes the full unboxing of the Skydroid C14 gimbal camera. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more UAV product unboxings and real-world tests. See you in the next video.